In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert video to audio in CapCut PC. If you need to extract a background track, a voice recording, or a music layer from your footage and save it as a standalone audio file, CapCut on PC makes the process very simple. The great thing is that you do not need any extra software. Everything can be done directly inside the export settings. To begin, open your project and go to the File Configuration area by moving your mouse to the top right corner of the screen. There, click the blue Export button. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and E on your keyboard to open the export panel instantly. Either method brings up the main export controls right over your current editing workspace, so you can adjust exactly what gets saved. Once the export window appears, the next step is to switch the output from video to audio. In the Settings section of the Export box, look for the option labeled Export Video. Click the checkbox once to turn that option off. Then, directly below it, find Export Audio and click the box to turn it on. This is the key part of the process because it tells CapCut to ignore the visual portion of your project and focus only on the sound. In other words, instead of exporting a full video file, CapCut will create an audio-only version. After that, choose the file type you want to use for the final audio. Look for the Format drop-down menu and click it to see the available options. You can usually choose between MP3 and WAV. MP3 is a great choice if you want a smaller file size that is easy to share, upload, or store. WAV is better if you want higher audio quality and do not mind a larger file. Pick the format that best fits your needs. When your format is selected, move down to the bottom area of the export window and click the blue Export button. CapCut will then process the project, remove the video portion, and save a clean audio-only file to your computer, and that's it. To convert video to audio in CapCut PC, open the Export panel, disable Video Export, enable Audio Export, choose MP3 or WAV, and click Export. It only takes a few quick actions, and once it's done, your audio file is ready.